Which way are you, mob? Here again, back at our favourite camp, but we got a bit of a convoy this time, and we're just trying to fix his path again and get a little bit more traction. So we're going to cut down the tree and lay a few straight pieces in there, so we're not digging it out as we go through as well. So we'll get to that now. I ripped off that plastic, but that plastic will go on with zip ties easy.
Yeah, that's why I'm happy. This is old now. I thought it was brand new.
Yeah, you're looking after it.
Now, I don't do it.
Yeah.
Brand new.
He's rolling through in brand new. This is our little camp spot. Bye-bye, look at that. Tree swag's fitting in there. But yeah, the tide's just pushing in now, so we quickly run out there and chuck a net in, eh? We're going to put the net across here, then we can go fish that tide in.
Yeah,
Eh?
back in the day. Remember we getting snapped off, me and you guys, and what
Yeah.
fishing out of the headline.
Yeah.
Something big stuff.
Well, that's it. Look at all that. All that mangrove is still there.
Yeah.
So when it's a 5-2, so it should still come up to here. There's
Yep.
plenty of water. Slimbo got a snack pack here. Holy!
Lovely. Sunny boy. Baby turtle. Baby turtle.
I cut it.
Yeah.
Cut him. Come on. Little green turtle. Baby green, yeah.
No, well, hey, bunny up.
Quick here,
Bunny up. Yeah, look down the sideline. Yeah, look. How good is this, bruh? Got the family together here, all the smaller cousins. Well, just a few of them. But this is cool, look. They already got their spear and rod and out there on the water. There's a few in there now.
Yeah, hold my fish around. That'd be done.
Yeah, throw it everywhere.
Let's see what he's got here. Ezra with the big alligator guy. Look at the teeth on the bugger. Holy. Oh, was it much of a fight?
I didn't even know it was on there.
Oh, really? You just wound it in?
Yeah.
Oh, rain's on. Rain's on. Let's go. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Good boy.
Pull it back, pull.
Wait there. Wait there. Wait there. There. There, wind it. Wind it. Wait there. Go fast. It's just, I know. And you're just trying to get it in line with that tree because you want fish coming out from that mangrove system. So yeah, you're right. Aim for it out there and point the rod to where you want it to go. That's it. That's enough. That's perfect. There we go, got lunchtime underway. Look at that. Bala, get Bala out of the sun here.
Yeah.
I'll just flip them, You like that, Sonny? Good boy.
Easy,
There
eh?
we go. camp kitchen. The lads. Nice clean camp area. What do you reckon? Just making up some namas.
Lovely.
What is it, the Samoan way, eh?
Yeah, bit of coconut cream in it.
Oh, ski. Look at that. Go in. We'll come along here, then we'll go check this net out here. Oh, is it?
Little black tip reef shark.
Well, you get one already. Here, look. Oh,
Lovely.
a good size one anyway. Well, it doesn't matter, cuss. If it rips, don't worry.
Hold him tight, get him in the bag.
Chuck it in the bag. That's him, class.
Lovely. We'll come back.
Perfect.
Come back a bit lower.
Yeah.
Yep. All that flesh is going nice and white.
Holy.
Lovely.
Brother.
Ready?
What? More fish? Here, come and take that. What'd you get?
I don't know. That looks like a sweetie.
It's a trevally. It's a trevally. Look at that, cuz. Here, hold it up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That'll be good for the namas too. Chuck it in on the ice, Bella. Quick, chuck it in. Chuck it in. There we go. How many left? Ezra.
We don't know this one. It's like this long one.
Oh, long tom with sharp teeth.
I think it's a sharp.
Shovel knife.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it?
But it's fun.
The boys here cleaning out the net. Holy! That's a good size one, brother. Woo! Look at that. Show me flat on. Oh, some good size in that.
Is it flatty?
It's a flatty. Good work. You called it too.
Yep.
Cool.
I'll put it right here.
Okay, cool. Look at that.
More crabs.
Is there?
That
Here, put that on.
I ripped some net because
That's okay.
there was
Put that
big
on.
knots.
Yeah, that's okay. It's all right.
Yeah.
Good work. You've done a good job. What a wild mess. What, you cut yourself?
Yeah. I can't see the cut, but
That's a small cut.
yeah.
Look, that's a thumbnail right there.
Oh.
No, not more, just one.
All right, we've got a couple of targets out here. What's this? This will be like 50 points, 30 points, and 10 points. Oh, look.
Shoulder gonna be sorted, man.
Was that you?
The rock, yeah.
Too old for me.
No, we said grain.
Long grain.
Long grain, right.
Coconut in it, eh?
Taste test. What do you reckon?
Oh,
Good.
yep.
Horse
I'd be
butter. Yes.